Nadi Shodhana is this awesome breathing technique in yoga where Nadi means a psychic channel or pathway for prana. That's the life energy to flow through your body. Shodhana is all about purification. So what you're doing here is cleaning out the channels for prana to move smoothly. It's a killer way to get your body in top-notch health and calm your mind. Perfect if you're gearing up for some deep meditation. Now there are 4 key stages to Nadi Shodhana, and you gotta nail each one before you move on to the next. This is super important because you're gradually getting better control over your breath. First off, you got the Nasagra Mudra. That's where you position your fingers and hands just right. Lift your right hand in front of your face, lefties. Just flip this around. Your index and middle finger should chill right at the center of your eyebrows, staying straight. Your thumb hangs out by your right nostril, and the ring finger by the left. Little finger, just chilling, not doing much. You use your thumb and ring finger to open and close your nostrils, controlling the air show. Keep your right elbow close to your chest, and as upright as possible helps you not get tired too fast. Keep your back and head straight, but hey, don't tense up. Stage 1 is all about finding your comfy spot to sit. Keep your back straight. You can sit in a chair or on the floor, maybe lean against a wall if that's your thing. Wrap up in a blanket to keep cozy and bug-free. Once you're settled, relax your whole body. Place your left hand on your knee or thigh and lift your right hand in that Nasagra Mudra position. Now block your right nostril with your thumb and breathe in and out slowly through the left. Keep it mindful, half of your practice time. Then switch, close the left, open the right, and repeat. Next up, you start controlling how long you breathe in and out. It's like part 1, but with a twist. Close the right, breathe in through the left, and count in your head, like 1, 2, 3. Keep it easy and deep. Do the same count when breathing out, but make it twice as long as your inhale. If you inhale to a count of 4, exhale to 8. Inhale to 3, exhale to 6. But remember, no straining. Keep it comfy. Each inhale-exhale cycle is 1 round. Do 10 rounds through the left, then switch to the right for another 10. If you got time, go for another 10 on each side. Keep this up as long as you can. After about 2 weeks or once you've got the hang of it, you'll move to stage 2. Before you start, make sure your nose is clear. Maybe do some Jala Nidhi if you need to. A quick tip, your mind might wander to business, breakfast, or whatever. Don't sweat it. Just notice it and ask yourself, why am I thinking about something else? This brings you back to Nadi Shodhana. Focus as much as you can on your breathing and counting. You can practice as much as you want, but aim for at least 10 minutes a day. Timing's key. Do Nadi Shodhana after your asanas, before meditation or relaxation exercises, mornings, before breakfast, are prime time, but not right after eating. And hey, always keep it gentle, no forced breathing or mouth breathing. The perks: you're regulating the prana flow in your body, bringing in mental peace, clearing up any blockages in the nadis. It's like giving extra oxygen to your body, feeding it well and clearing out carbon dioxide more effectively. This cleans up your blood system, boosts overall health, including resistance to diseases. Deep, slow breathing gets rid of stale air in your lungs too.